Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today we have got a Euro cylinder. It's a challenge lock. It's an Assa Abloy, a fab. This came from my good friend Bill Bacardi, and it is a Cameron Dunn lock. I've never picked a Cameron Dunn lock. Great lad, awesome guy. Please check out his channel. And Bill Bacardi, both legends, the pair of them. I'll leave the names in the description. I've got someone coming around at some point to show me how to sort these links out. So I can get them up. It was done on the 4th of the 8th, 2018, and it's in number 2. I'll show you the bitting. That's a very nice bitting. And it works absolutely smoothly. So hopefully we can get this picked. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. You can check me out on Discord at Extraordinary Leader Pickers, and at Lockpicking at Locksport and Locksport at UKLP on Facebook. And if you like my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, as make 2 to 3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials to all types of lock stuff related, really. So yeah, we use a homemade tension wrench. And try top of the keyway, and we're going to use a Bobby Keys deep hook. You know what, give me a second, let me need a less deeper hook at the moment. Just realised we got there's a pin in the way. Click off 2. Click on 3. Little fault set going from 4. Nothing on 1. So something is stopping us somewhere. We'll get a bit of counter then of 2. Oh, got another bit of fault set going again. Feels like everything's... Go for a reset. Everything was springy on that then. Right, so let's go for... Let's try number 1. A little click on 1. Click on 2. Just being gentle at the moment with light tension. Get a little bit of counter then. I'll have to try this counterclockwise. I'm going to try this counter. Click on 3. Click on 2. Nope. A little bit of a false set. Moving on 3. I'll click on 1 again. Oh, bit of another false set from 3. Sorry, no, that was 4. Oh, and we're open. There we go. Very cool. That was well done, Cameron, my friend. That put up a nice little fight. I enjoyed that. Right, we've got the key so we can lock it back up. Let's get our pinning tray out. And 4. Right, let's bring this a bit further down like that. Let's get this clip off the back. Looks like we're on a spring one this time, not a bendy one, which is awesome. Oh yeah, makes things so much easier. That's my cat being annoying because he's not allowed out. Besides, he just wants to sing his chops off. There we go. As you can see, everything needed to be picked. Standard in pin 1. Oh, what's going on? Oh, very nicely serrated key pin at the top, like a spool, should say. Oh, serrated in number 3. And a nice serrated in number 4 and a standard in 5. Let's have a look. We've got threading in 1, nothing in 2 or 3. I've got a fine bit of threading in 4. And nothing in 5. Let's see what we've got going in here. So we've got a commercial spool. I'm going to be doing a video soon at some point. We've got a nice brass spring on how to make a challenge lock for beginners, for people who don't have the capability of making their own pins. Because when you're making challenge locks, you know, it's obviously you make your own pins, you make your own mark on it, but using commercial security pins from other locks is still a challenge lock because you've still modified it. Another commercial driver, brass spring. Oh, now we've got something going on. That's very, very nice pin. Oh, that's just fallen out. That's facing that way. I know it's done with that. That's very cool. I'll closer look at these in a minute. My bloody cat's doing my head in. It's a pain in the ass. Very nice. Serrated key pin and very nice spring. This has not been modified, so let's have a look what Mr. Cameron's done to these pins. So we've got a standard steel in 1, and then I thought it was a spring on that or something. It's definitely got like a spool right on the end. You can see that. A bit like a spool. This is a serrated key pin, very nice. And The diameter slightly less on the top of that with a little serration in it, and a standard in 5. Number 1 driver is commercial spool. Number 2 is a commercial spool, and as you can see, even though these are commercial spools, there are different commercial spools. This is wider at the top and this is a lot narrower. I think though, if I was Cameron, I would have put the spool there and then this one. And the reason is, I know that's threaded, but these would have caught on the thread a lot more. Number 3 is, I don't know if it's commercial. Give me 1 second. Let me get the oogly out, which is this little get up. Let's go for 20 times zoom. Let's just have a quick look at that. It looks commercial. I'm looking for I'm not really sure. I cannot find any marks on that. You know, from saw blades or files, it's very smooth, so it's commercially could have made it himself. We've got this driver, which is like a T-pin, and in number 5 we've got a nicely serrated driver. Very, very cool. And we've got all brass springs. Awesome job, Cameron, my friend. Really enjoyed that. That was a really cool lock. That'll be being sent off to someone else. Also, yeah, that's what I'm saying is I'm going to show how to make a challenge lock with just commercial pins, but we are going to change the bit in a little bit, and you only need some files for this. But yeah, we'll sort something out and see how we go with it. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.